Rainbow's huge inflatable boxes are designed for various events like music and sports, but can easily serve as temporary living spaces, particularly for people displaced by natural disasters. These structures require no preparation and provide immediate shelter with inflatable roofs and walls. Although they are built much faster and appear flimsier than traditional housing, the PVC material commonly used is durable enough to withstand rain and snow. With additional anchoring, they can resist strong winds. The large interior offers space for essentials, and the temperature can be controlled with heaters in cold weather or air conditioners in heat. The Tomount Camper Tent is an all-inclusive solution, inflating all at once along with its built-in floor, and offering great ventilation through its doorways. It is equipped with both mesh and regular tent doors that can be adjusted as needed, ensuring a comfortable stay for 2 to 4 people. The tent also provides excellent protection, with Oxford fabric that is resistant to water pressure up to 79 inches and can handle UV rays. Priced at $369, this tent offers a vacation package that requires no additional extras. Evolution Dome is not just the first word in the company's name, but also a perfect description of the structures they provide. These large structures only need air to get them up and running, with some effort from workers to position them and hook up the pumps. This showcases the impressive results of evolution in the construction field, as the entire process takes just a couple of hours. The innovative nature of these solutions is evident in their stability, as they can withstand winds up to 50 miles per hour, resist ultraviolet light, and handle rainfall effortlessly. The Air Seconds 5.2 inflatable tent by Decathlon offers a spacious, home-like experience for outdoor living, featuring 3 rooms, an 85-square-foot entryway and 2 smaller rooms that can accommodate 3 and 2 mattresses, respectively, with each mattress measuring 27 inches wide. This unique 2-bedroom and living room setup provides all the essentials for outdoor living. While not as secure as a house, the tent can withstand winds up to 37 miles per hour when properly tensioned, and it is fully rain-resistant. Equipped with fresh and black technology, it protects against UV radiation, reduces heat inside, and provides darkness. This multi-room camping tent is priced at $764. With the press of a button, the Quattro X trailer from Invader transforms into a nearly 20-foot caravan with 4 sleeping spots. However, it offers more than just a place to sleep. Invader calls it luxurious comfort camping for a reason. Inside, there is a space to sit and wash up, while the exterior features a kitchen equipped with essential devices and gadgets for cooking. Additionally, there are ample storage spaces, 2 220-volt Euro sockets, 3 12-volt car charger sockets, and 4 USB ports. This allows you to enjoy nature not only in luxury, but with modern conveniences as well. Rosia Shelter can be assembled in just 5 minutes with the help of 4 to 6 people, offering a structure with dimensions of 41 by 37 by 26 feet, providing enough space to shelter many people from bad weather. The creators claim it can withstand winds of up to 29 miles per hour, and it offers full protection against rain, snow, and other weather conditions. A particularly useful feature is the dedicated spot for plugging in a generator, ensuring that those inside can maintain a minimal level of comfort without needing any complicated solutions. The IPOOLGO tent by IPOOLGO is designed to stand out from traditional tents, resembling an ordinary little house with similarly shaped windows and dimensions of 11 by 8 by 8 feet. From a distance or in the dark, it could easily be mistaken for a structure made of common building materials. However, setting it up reveals its true nature, as the tent inflates quickly using just a pump. No other tools or actions are required. Once set up, it only needs some extra anchoring to prevent it from being blown away in the wind. For around $1,700, you can pick up a bubble tent kit from Decathlon, set it up in the right location, anchor it with stakes, and connect it to a power source. The structure, with 269 square feet of interior space, self-inflates using a built-in fan, after which you supplement it with a frame and extra stakes. Once assembled, the well-ventilated tent, thanks to the fan and ventilation openings, becomes a comfortable living space. Designed to handle winds up to 19 miles per hour, heavy rain, and UV radiation, it also features large windows, perfect for those who enjoy observing their surroundings. Tulmar specializes in creating tents designed for harsh conditions, particularly for emergency response services. These shelters offer a high level of protection with a waterproof outer layer and fire-resistant materials that are also mold and mildew resistant. They are built to withstand strong winds, secured with an anchoring system, and come in two sizes, 12 by 15 feet and 15 by 20 feet, sufficient for most emergency tasks. For larger spaces, the modular design allows several tents to be linked together using connecting panels. Additionally, fast installation is key, with the entire process taking less than 5 minutes thanks to the inflatable frame. The SpaceX Air Trailer from Mars Campers offers more than just extra storage. For $34,000, you can tow a tiny home behind your car. Inside, there are double beds on each side, a large dining area that converts into another sleeping spot, a 5-gallon mini fridge, TV, and speaker. There's also an outdoor kitchen with all the necessary cooking appliances. While it lacks a built-in toilet, a portable solution can be used. The most impressive feature is that the entire shelter sets up effortlessly using a built-in control panel, though the kitchen requires manual setup, which is a minor inconvenience.